front, but it's going to come through as a bit of a backdoor front, and some like these kind of fronts because they give us weather. I mean, really, those are probably better descriptions than I had. This is basically the soaker on the way. We've been talking about it all week long. It's on the backside of the weekend, so we'll get to that in a bit. So here's the headlines. We're going to keep those warm evening winds. The cooler winds arrive on Friday, and this is what we're talking about, whatever you call it. We'll call it rain developing on Sunday. Again, more details in a bit, but maybe you have plans this evening. For instance, downtown at 6:30, it's the Montoya 5K. It's a corporate event, tends to be a big aerobic celebration and then party. Looking fine as far as the lack of rain. The front that is just on our doorsteps, the nearest precipitation with it way up here in Virginia and up around D.C. and near the boardwalk of Jersey, but that's headed away. So this is a front that will come through dry. For 99.9% of us, it could be that a few very isolated sprinkles develop as it goes by later on tonight. Then the skies will clear. However, as we go through the day tomorrow, the winds will become northeasterly, and that's why I gave Jessica credit, because that's like a backdoor front. The northeast winds come on in, and although overall a nice day if you want cooler temperatures, and that's why I said good, because Anthony likes cooler temperatures, as we all know. But those northeast winds will begin to bring in some clouds. So for those of you in the southern coastal counties, and what I mean by that is St. John's and Flagler, you'll have more of the clouds, and I can't rule out an isolated shower during the day tomorrow. What about as we head toward the weekend? Well, let's take a look. Again, Sheep's Head. I have a question mark here. The captains are telling us definitely Sheep's Head fishing is hot. However, because small craft flags will be flying, look at this, winds out of the northeast at 15 to 25, and the sheeps that are being called on the lower St. John's might be kind of iffy as far as the weather is concerned, but the captains are telling us it's out there. So seas will be building, surf will be building, and a strong current north to south will be building as well. So think about it. Today, we're experiencing temperatures of 85 to 90. Tomorrow, 66. There'll be some sun, cool winds, so not a bad day. But again, for you warm weather lovers, grab what you can, because cooler weather on the way. And this is the kind of days we're going to have. And what I mean by that is much cooler during the afternoon, but notice the morning lows will not be cold by any stretch of the imagination. So here come the cooler afternoon highs, and here's where the wetter weather is, specifically over the next 3 days. Notice you'll see for Friday, cooler, up to 20 degrees cooler. Saturday, overall, a pretty nice day, only a very isolated shower. But then as we look ahead to Sunday, a few showers will give way to a Sunday night and Monday soaker. Beyond that, conditions begin to taper off. And what I mean by that is improve.